Of our own that we'd like to give out. First of all, we'd like to thank all of your teachers. They work hard all year round and they still have the time to gather up your stories and submit them to us. We'd also like to thank your family members and the PTA for sponsoring programs like us. Let's give them a big round of applause.
We have another very special group of people that we want to thank. And a big thank you to all of you authors out there. Now, due to time's sake, we can't perform every story, but we do read every single story that we receive, and we want you to know that when you take what's up here and you put it down on paper, that's good hard work, so give yourselves a big round of applause.
We would like to thank the authors whose stories we did perform today, because without you, we wouldn't have a show. So, when we call your name, please come up here, stand with the actors, and stay here to the very end to receive your Writing Achievement Award. All right, can I please have Emma Garcia, Alexa Nava,